Hi folks, this is Jeff Rugrock, your Semester 2 guide to all things code. I just want to introduce you or reintroduce you to a concept referred to as fitting allowance. We're going to be looking at the fitting allowance through a code perspective of centerline radius, and you will be drawing these fittings, so I want you to prepare for that. And to do that, you just need a quick refresher for what a fitting allowance is. I have a couple of drawings here. If you recall, the definition for a fitting allowance is from the end of an engagement to the opposing center line. So a piece of pipe would go into this fitting here, where engagement ends to the center line, which is there, the opposing center line. And that's just simply the amount of pipe you would cut off to meet a center-to-center dimension and change it to an end-to-end dimension. Anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing. This happens to be a fairly short radius 90 and this a long radius 90. If for some reason this sounds like gibberish to you, you can look up fitting allowance in your first semester plumbing book. You can look up examples of a fitting allowance in your math textbook, and you can look up examples of a fitting allowance in your blueprints book as well, in the appendix at the back. You'll find drawings very similar to this. What we're going to be exploring is the relationship between fitting allowance and code 72431. It's drawing 1 for your assignments. You're going to be doing both of these, a long and a short. For that, you're going to need to be able to draw 3 complete circles, centerline radius or circle diameter, the inside radius, and then the back radius of a 90-degree elbow. And you're going to do that twice over. Anyways, so just a little heads up for you on fitting allowance. Make sure you get reacquainted if you didn't understand anything I just finished saying there, and then you'll be ready to tackle the drawing. Next up comes the code.